For other department payments, we have 4 steps also. So applicant will actually, first step will be applicant will request the payment entry. They will key in the payment request entry and they can submit for the approval. So once they actually submit, then it will actually send out to finance. So finance, this user called checker, she will actually confirm which bank going to pay and also assign the GL account into these payments. One is check everything is fine for this transaction, and it will send out to the first level approval. So first level will receive an email and then they can do the actions, whether they can reject it, approve it, or rectify it. So once the transaction is rejected, the action is called reject, then the email will send to checkers and applicants. So to notice them that transaction has been rejected, means this transaction has been cancelled. And let's say sometime the transaction, maybe you need the applicants or the checker to do some rectification, so you can actually send an action called rectify. So an email will send to the checker, so checker will modify accordingly what's the first level approvals request, then they resubmit back to the first level approval to continue for the approval. So once the transaction has been approved, an email will continue sent to the management level to do the approval from here. So once the management have received the email, then they can actually have an action whether they approve it, reject it, or rectify it. So same for the other departments. So we have, if let's say amount less than 20k, department head need to do an approvals and followed by the management level, which is the finance and the GM. If more than 20k, then we also need the department head to make an approval and also the finance, GM, and the CEO.